Welcome to how to register for classes using block registration. In this video, we will walk through the steps to register using block registration. To begin, log in to myOkanagan and select registration. On the registration page, click Register Add Drop Classes. Next, select the academic term you would like to register for from the drop-down menu. And click Continue. The Blocks tab opens automatically. Your assigned block is already selected for you. Review the courses included in the block to ensure they match your program requirements. When you are ready to register, click Submit. Once your registration has been processed, look for the green Save Successful message at the top of the page. This confirms that your registration was completed successfully. On this page, you can also review your registered courses and class schedule. You can also select tuition and fees to view the charges associated with your registered courses for the selected term. Please note that tuition and fee amounts vary by program and registration details. Your fees may differ from the example shown in this video. In some programs, students may be required to register for more than one term at a time. To register for an additional term, click Select a Term. Choose the next term from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Depending on your program, you may see more than one block option available. If multiple blocks are available, scroll down to view all options. In most cases, the blocks contain the same courses, but the class days and times may be different. Review the available options and select the block that best fits your schedule. After selecting your preferred block, click Submit. If an error message appears during registration, take a screenshot of the error and contact AskOC for assistance. Including a screenshot will help us assist you more effectively. Thank you for watching how to register for classes using block registration.